Alright, so hi guys. In this video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and do the following, problem. So let's see here. Give me 1 second. So here we have the problem, and what we're gonna do is we are gonna go ahead and do this following problem. So we have these two these two tables here, and this is composition of functions, where we go ahead and we're using a table to go ahead and find these two composition of functions at a specific x value. So it says use the table above to find the following. Part A says to find f composited of h of 2. And so what I want to make very clear here is when we have two functions, so if we have f composited of g of x, this is f of g of x, okay? If I could go ahead and color code that, give me 1 second. So this is the formula for when we do composition of functions. Oh, and by the way, this is supposed to be h, not g. Give me a second. Okay, so this is the following formula, right? This is for composition of functions. That's what we use for the following formula. So we have these two problems, right? So we're going to do the first one, which is part A, tells us to do f of h of x, or I'm sorry, f of h of 2, f composited of h, and then of 2, right? So looking at the table, right, let me go ahead and just kind of quickly do this. Alright, so here we have the two tables. So to find f of h of 2, or f composited of h of 2, this is really f of h of 2. So again, we're just doing this, right? And when we do this, we're going to go ahead and first, you're going to evaluate h of 2. So h of 2, if we look at this table here, when x is equal to 2, h of 2, we know that h of x is 4. So basically h of 2 obviously is 4. So we know we're going to plug this in for this here. So we know that h of 2 is going to be 4. So then doing this problem, we end up getting f of, and we're going to plug in 4 for h of 2, right? And so this means that now we have to see, well, the first table, when x is equal to 4, what is f of x? So this is going to give us -5, because if we look right here, that is what we get for x equals 4. We get -5. So f of 4 is -5, and so we can say that f composited of h of 2, so basically f composited of h of 2 is equal to -5. So this would be our answer for this one, right? Now let's look at part B, and I'm not gonna do the table again since we already have it. Basically, now we're doing h composited of f of 2. So this is part B. We want to do h composited of f. So h composited of f, and then of 2, right? So this means we're going to do h of, and it's going to be f of 2. So that is basically, we're just applying that formula. And so then we end up getting the following, which is going to be, so we need to see this inner part. F of 2, if we look at f of 2, we know that it's going to be 6, right? We have, when x is equal to 2 here, y is equal to 6, or f of x is equal to 6. So we're going to put 6 in. We know that f of 2, so f of 2. Sorry guys, give me a second. F of 2. 1 second, guys. So we know that f of 2 is equal to 6, right? So then we're going to put that in. So we have 6 for this. And now what we're going to do, we're going to put this in for this here. So that means that h of f of 2 is really going to end up being, h of 6. So we do that. And then now we need to see what h of x is when x is equal to 6. So looking at our table here, the blue one, we can clearly see that when x is equal to 6, h of x is 5. So we know that h of 6, or h of f of 2, is really 5. So we can go ahead and just kind of h composited of f of 2 is equal to 5. So that is how we do composition of functions from a table, guys. So if anybody has any questions, please let me know. And also, that's going to be it for this video. If anybody has any questions, please let me know. And also, please like, comment, and/or subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.